Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another of my Halloween party series nail art tutorial videos for you. This week's theme for our Facebook group is Secret of the Haunted House, and of course I am so ready to do more Halloween manicures in the month of October. I decided to actually host this theme, and I am really looking forward to see what everybody else who joined me did for this fun, spooky yet cute theme. I hope you will like it as well, guys. If you do, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up for me. And if you're new here or coming from the other channels who joined me for this collab, then welcome. I do hope you will like what you see here, and I also hope that you will hit the subscribe button before you leave. For those of you who are new, I do my Halloween party series every October. So in the month of October you mainly see Halloween related videos, and on Tuesdays I always do some nail art tutorials, so this is my chance to actually incorporate some of them into this series as well. As always, you will find everything in the description box, so all the links to all the ladies who joined me will be down there. Also any additional information that you may need or are curious about, and I will also leave all the pictures at the end of my video, that way you see what everybody created. Alright, so guys, that's it from me for today. Definitely stay tuned for the tutorial itself, and I will be back for you with some more spooky and fun Halloween videos soon. So thank you, bye bye.